Hello and welcome to our video on the top 10 most luxury hotels in the world. These hotels are not only known for their extravagant amenities, but also for their stunning locations and impeccable service. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 10. The Plaza Hotel, New York City. This iconic hotel has been featured in numerous films and TV shows, and is known for its opulent decor and luxurious suites. The breathtaking piece of luxe accommodation was constructed in 1907. The plaza also offers a variety of dining options, including the famous Palm Court and the Champagne Bar. Number 9. Burj Al Arab, Dubai. This sail-shaped hotel is one of the most iconic buildings in Dubai and offers unparalleled views of the city. The hotel's suites are among the most luxurious in the world, with private balconies, marble bathrooms, and 24-hour butler service. We cannot decide what we would enjoy more: the in-suite check-in, the 24/7 butler service, or its Rolls-Royce fleet, each designated for respective VIPs, which, by the way, very often includes royalty. Number 8. The Ritz Carlton, Tokyo. This hotel offers unparalleled views of the city from its rooftop infinity pool, as well as luxury suites with traditional Japanese decor. The hotel also features a variety of dining options, including a French restaurant and a sushi bar. The hotel takes up residence on the top 9 floors of the 53-story Tokyo Midtown, one of the city's tallest buildings. Number 7. Four Seasons Hotel George V, Paris. This hotel is located in the heart of Paris and offers luxurious suites, a spa, and a Michelin-starred restaurant. The hotel's decor is inspired by the Art Deco movement and features original artwork and antiques. Number 6. Amman Tokyo. This hotel offers a peaceful retreat in the heart of Tokyo, with luxurious suites, a spa, and a rooftop infinity pool. The hotel's decor is inspired by traditional Japanese design, with a focus on natural materials and minimalism. It is 0.1 miles away from the center of Otemik. Number 5. Belmond Hotel Caruso, Revello. This hotel is located in the picturesque town of Revello, on the Amalfi coast of Italy. The hotel offers luxurious suites, a spa, and a restaurant with panoramic views of the coast. The hotel's terraced gardens and infinity pool are also a highlight. Number 4. The Bulgari Hotel, London. This hotel offers a contemporary take on luxury, with sleek decor and state-of-the-art amenities. The hotel's suites feature marble bathrooms, private terraces, and views of London's landmarks. Number 3. The Mandarin Oriental, Bangkok. This hotel is located on the banks of the Chao Phraya River and offers luxurious suites, a spa, and a variety of dining options. The hotel's decor is inspired by traditional Thai design and features a mix of modern and antique furnishings. With 23 Michelin stars awarded to 14 of our establishments, we're not the only ones who think our restaurants are amongst the best in the world. Line-caught red amidai served with Savoy cabbage seaweed puree, at Amber at the landmark Mandarin Oriental. Number 2. The Ritz Carlton, Half Moon Bay. This hotel is located on a rugged coastal bluff in California and offers luxurious suites, a spa, and a golf course. The hotel's decor is inspired by the surrounding natural beauty, with a focus on warm colors and natural materials. Half Moon Bay is known for Mavericks, a big wave surf location. It is called Half Moon Bay because of its crescent shape. Nickname: home of the world-famous Half Moon Bay Pumpkin Festival. Number 1. The Amman Tokyo. This hotel offers a peaceful retreat in the heart of Tokyo, with luxurious suites, a spa, and a rooftop infinity pool. The hotel's decor is inspired by traditional Japanese design, with a focus on natural materials and minimalism. Typically, room rates are around $2,000 per night, and that concludes our list of the top 10 most luxury hotels in the world. We hope you enjoyed this video and that it gave you some inspiration for your next luxury getaway. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel content.